In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Grammarly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to take a break from writing assistance or you need Grammarly's guidance reinstated, this guide will help you navigate this with ease. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Google Docs or your preferred web browser. This is crucial because Grammarly typically functions as an extension within your browser, so your browser must be open for you to proceed. Once your browser or Google Docs is open, the next step is to locate the Grammarly icon. This icon usually appears as a small green circle with a G inside it, situated at the top right corner of your browser toolbar. This is your gateway to managing the Grammarly extension, so keep an eye out for it. Once you find the Grammarly icon, give it a click. Clicking this icon opens up a drop-down menu or an options tab, which gives you access to various Grammarly settings. Here, you'll be able to easily manage the functionalities of the extension. Now within this menu, what you need to look for is the power button option. This power button is essential because it's the key to turning Grammarly on or off. After locating the power button, you'll see the option to turn off Grammarly. Selecting this will disable the Grammarly extension, giving you a respite from its spelling and grammar checks until you're ready to reactivate it. This can be especially useful if you're working on content that doesn't require real-time grammar checking, or if you wish to simplify your screen for any reason. If you're planning to re-enable Grammarly, perhaps after editing your work manually, you'll need to head over to your browser's extension settings. Here, the goal is to locate the Grammarly extension and re-enable it through the toggle or checkbox provided. This action will reactivate Grammarly, ready to assist you with its comprehensive suite of writing tools. To recap, open your browser, locate the Grammarly icon, click it, find the power button, and choose to turn it off. To re-enable, go to your extensions and adjust the toggles accordingly. This process ensures that you have full control over when Grammarly is active and when it takes a little break. Remember, toggling Grammarly on or off is entirely up to your writing needs at any given moment. Adjust it to your preferences and keep your workflow as seamless as possible. That's it for today's guide. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.